Question number 13 of the 2015 KCSE Maths Paper 1 says, the figure below represents the curve of an equation. Use the mid-ordinate rule with 4 ordinates to estimate the area bounded by the curve. Lines y equals 0, x equals -3, and x equals 5. The first thing I would do is mark on these lines so that I have an idea of the shape that we're finding the area for. So x is equal to -3 is this line here. X is equal to 5 is this line here. And y equals to 0 is basically the x-axis. So the shape that we're finding the area for is this shape here that I'm highlighting in purple. Also, let me write down the mid-ordinate rule. So the mid-ordinate rule is given by a formula AT is equal to L, where L is the length of an ordinate, multiplied by the sum of the mid-ordinates. So straight away we can find out the length of the ordinate since we've been told that we're to use 4 ordinates, and we know that this length, which I'm going to mark on in red, from here, from -3 to 5 is 8. So because we're told to use 4 ordinates, and we know that the ordinates are going to be of equal size, L is going to be equal to 8 divided by 4, which is 2. So we can write here on the next line 2 multiplied by the sum of the ordinates, the mid-ordinates, sorry. So the next step is to find out the mid-ordinates. And to find out a mid-ordinate, we find out the position of the parallel line that binds it on the right and the left. We add those, so let's call those XL plus XR for left and right, and then we divide by 2, and that gives us our mid-ordinate. So that's the formula, the mini formula that we use to find out the mid-ordinate. So let's find, so we have 4 ordinates, so let's find that out for each of the 4 ordinates. So for the first one, we have -3 plus -1 divided by 2. -3 plus -1 is the same as -3 minus 1, which is equal to -4. Divide that by 2, we get -2. So the first mid-ordinate we have here is -2. Then we do the same thing for, in fact I'll mark that on in pink so it's a bit easier to see. And then we do the same for this mid-ordinate here, this mid-ordinate here, and this mid-ordinate here. And what we get for those is 0, 2, and 4. So let's sum that. So we're summing -2, 0, 2, and 4. So -2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4. So the -2 and the 2 will cancel, and then we're just left with 4. So we get 2 times by 4, which is equal to 8. The area of this shape that we're asked to find, that bounded by the curve, is 8 square units.